Here is the main character for this video. Now, let's go to Cleetus McFarland channel analytics. Cleetus has uploaded 810 videos. He now has 2.48 million subscribers with a total view of 697,625,433 views. He's from US, and his channel type is film. He created his channel since June 8, 2009. The grade he got is B+, and his social blade ranking is at 10,104th. The subscriber ranking is 7,604th, and then video view rank is 7,399th. He ranked at 2,128th in US and 420th in film. Next, the daily subs for Cleetus McFarland channel is around 1.33k with a daily view of 639,326. Now let's talk about how much money is he making on YouTube, and this is going to be an estimate. So, the daily view is 640,000. A YouTuber will get $4 every 1,000 views. Therefore, the daily earning for Cleetus will be $2,560. Then, monthly income will be $76,800. Don't forget that YouTube get the cut of the revenue for 45%. Now, monthly income will be $42,240 after the cut. And as for the yearly income will be $506,880. That is how much Cleetus McFarland earns from YouTube.